Amazing benefits of black radish for skin, hair, and health. Black radish, a root vegetable that belongs to the cruciferous family, is widely celebrated for its potential health benefits. Not only does it offer a variety of advantages for overall health, but it is also a powerful ingredient for skin and hair care. Packed with nutrients like vitamin C, fiber, and antioxidants, black radish can contribute significantly to your well-being. Here are amazing benefits of black radish for skin, hair, and health. Health benefits of black radish: improves digestion. Black radish is high in fiber and antioxidants, which help promote healthy digestion. It can aid in relieving constipation and maintaining regular bowel movements. It also supports a healthy gut microbiome. Boosts liver health. Black radish contains compounds that support liver function. It is believed to stimulate the production of bile, helping the liver detoxify and remove waste products more efficiently. This makes it a great food for overall liver health. Detoxifies the body. Due to its high antioxidant content, black radish acts as a natural detoxifier. It helps cleanse the blood, flush out toxins, and promote better circulation, which contributes to overall health. Regulates blood pressure. Black radish is known to contain potassium, which can help regulate blood pressure by balancing the effects of sodium. This can be particularly beneficial for individuals with high blood pressure or those at risk. Controls and regulates thyroid. This is one of the best black radish medicinal uses. The thyroid is a lifelong syndrome caused due to an imbalance in thyroid hormones. It needs lifelong medication. Black radish is rich in raphanin. Raphanin is a natural enzyme that regulates the secretion and production of thyroid hormones. As a result, this miracle food can be used as a preventive remedy against hypothyroidism. It is also known to offer relief to the patient suffering from hyper or hypothyroidism. Boosts immunity. With its high vitamin C content, black radish boosts the immune system. Vitamin C plays a key role in fighting infections, boosting collagen production, and promoting skin health. Supports weight loss. Black radish is low in calories but high in fiber, making it a great addition to a weight loss diet. Its high fiber content helps you feel full longer, reducing overeating and snacking. Improves respiratory health. Black radish has been traditionally used to relieve symptoms of respiratory conditions like asthma, coughs, and bronchitis. It is believed to help clear mucus and improve breathing. Helpful in stones removal. Black radish is a natural remedy against stones in kidney and gallbladder. It also eases the pain caused due to stones. It increases urination. The diuretic properties of black radish are put to play, and increased urination cleans the kidney and gallbladder off the stones and stone dust. Prevents and treats anemia. The high iron content in black radish can help improve red blood cell production, preventing iron deficiency anemia. It also helps enhance the absorption of other essential nutrients that contribute to overall blood health. Regulates blood sugar. Black radish has the potential to lower blood sugar levels, making it useful for managing diabetes. It can help stabilize blood glucose levels by improving insulin sensitivity. Reduces cholesterol levels. Black radish can help lower LDL, bad cholesterol levels, and reduce the risk of heart disease. Its antioxidants, fiber, and other compounds work together to maintain a healthy cardiovascular system. Cures bloating and acidity. It nullifies the effect of free radicals with its high dose of fresh antioxidants. It makes the gut, intestines, and abdomen toxin-free. As a result, acidity reduces. Hence, bloating is eased with the consumption of black radish naturally. Skin benefits of black radish promotes healthy, glowing skin. Black radish contains vitamin C, which is crucial for collagen production. Collagen helps maintain skin elasticity and firmness. Regular consumption can help promote a healthy, glowing complexion. Fights acne and pimples. The antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties of black radish make it an excellent natural remedy for acne. It can help reduce inflammation and prevent the growth of acne-causing bacteria. Black radish juice or paste can be applied topically to affected areas to reduce breakouts, reduces dark spots and pigmentation. Black radish has natural bleaching properties that help lighten dark spots and pigmentation. It can even out skin tone and reduce the appearance of blemishes and sunspots, giving you a smoother complexion. Hydrates and moisturizes. Skin. Black radish is known for its ability to lock in moisture, making it an excellent choice for hydrating dry or dull skin. Its high water content helps keep your skin soft and nourished. Prevents premature aging. Due to its antioxidant content, black radish helps fight oxidative stress, a major factor in premature aging. The antioxidants neutralize free radicals, preventing the breakdown of collagen and elastin fibers, which keeps the skin looking younger for longer. Hair benefits of black radish promotes hair growth. Black radish can improve blood circulation to the scalp, which promotes hair growth. It contains essential vitamins and minerals that nourish hair follicles, stimulating new hair growth and preventing hair thinning. Prevents hair loss. Black radish has been traditionally used to combat hair loss due to its detoxifying properties. It can help cleanse the scalp of toxins and impurities that may contribute to hair thinning or hair loss. Additionally, the high sulfur content in black radish strengthens hair follicles, reducing the likelihood of hair shedding. Conclusion: black radish is a versatile vegetable that offers a wide range of health, skin, and hair benefits. Whether you're consuming it for its digestive, detoxifying, or immune-boosting properties, or using it in topical treatments for glowing skin and healthy hair, black radish is a powerful natural remedy. Incorporating it into your diet and skincare routine can lead to improved overall health and well-being. However, as with any new ingredient, it's important to start gradually and observe how your body reacts, especially if you have any allergies or sensitivities. Thanks for watching.